My name is Patrick Long, and this is my 2020 Lab 1. So for part B, we have the NOT gate with the little board SN74LS04N. I have VCC connected up here, and the ground connected here in blue. I have pin 0 and pin 4 connected to the input and output. And you can see up here, I have pin 0 as a 0, or as high, so its NOT value is low. And if I change value of 0, you can see when it is 0, the output is high. So for part C, we're implementing the NOR gate. So I have the SN74LS02N instead of the 04. My two inputs are 0 and 1 digital pins. My output is digital pin 4, and then I have the ground and VCC wires connected all up here. And then we can see my digital reader and writer. When I put 0 and 1 on high, 4 is on low. If I turn 0 to low, 4 is still on low. Turn 1 to low, 4 turns to high. So it is neither 0 or 1, and that is when we get a high output. Okay, so here I've built the circuit from the pre-lab in part A. I have inputs A, B, and C, which correspond to pins 0, 1, and 2. A goes into the NOT gate first, and then the output of the NOT gate goes into a NOR gate. So it's a NOR with B, which is pin 1, and then that output goes into a NOR gate with C, and the output of that NOR gate is our output. And I have tested it with the truth table that I also came up with. So all of these guys turn off, we should get an output of 1, and our output is in pin 4, and that is true. We turn B1, we should get an output of 1, and turn A on, we should get an output of A is 0, not 2. So yeah, and for any other combination, we should get an output of 0, and we do. So this is for part E, where I used a NOT gate and a NAND gate. I have all my inputs are white. We have 4 inputs, A, B, C, and D. A is 3, B is 2, C is 1, D is 0. All of them go to a NOT gate except for C, which goes straight to a NAND. And then their outputs from the NOT gates go to the AND gates, and then the outputs from these two NAND gates go to another NAND gate on the other side. And that output just goes to our main output for the whole circuit. Basically making this circuit right here. And as you can see, I have the truth table right here in the background. For all 0, we should get an output of 1. Our output's on 4, so we see that is true. If we change D, we should still have an output of 1. Change C, we still get an output of 1. Both C and D, we get an output of 1. We change B, output of 0. And then turn on D, still an output of 0. Turn off D, turn on C, get output of 1, and you can see we just did all of these right here. And it's true for the rest of them as well.